the moment, this is what we had visited as the gymnasium complex. The whole area encircled with the fortification walls was the size of the city. And at the moment, we're right over here. So this can give you an idea about the width of the city for sure, like north to south axis. East to west was similar in the parallel to where we will be visiting. And then on the way, I will point out where the theater and the stadium of the city is. There is also, they're working on a temple, which most probably gave one of the Neokoros titles that Mark has mentioned to you.
Neokoros, twice named Neokoros.
So it was twice an Epikoros for the honor of two emperors. Let's say there were two temples constructed. It means perfectly that, but so far I was not able to receive or read any information to whom this temple most probably constructed and dedicated to, but for sure it must be one of the emperors over here. And also going with the work, it has been the beginning with the 1900s, American Society for the Excavation of Sardis and Princeton University, and from the Harvard University, the works are going on. There's a very beautiful site, sardisexpedition.org, and it's always updated at the end of each excavation season from Princeton and from Harvard. From Cornell University, we have teams coming and doing their work at this park. And the electrum that I was talking about, which is a mixture of silver and gold, you can have an idea about that over here. Because it has gold, and silver is not a very strong metal, it can be easily heated a bit and then can be easily marked. All you need is a hammer and something which is harder than it, and you will just make a hit, and that's it. And it was Croesus who gave a value to it. We were talking about the Persian royal road from the Susa all the way extending over here. In the earlier days, it was barter trading. You have to bring something in order to buy something from here, because you have to exchange the goods.
That Persian road ran, we walked it right here.
Yeah.
It followed roughly the road
of the present day. So in order to buy something, first of all, you have to be lucky with your guess that what is in demand over here is what you're bringing, so that you will get the best value out of it. That's number one. And the other thing is, you have to protect your goods all the way from the Persian Gulf to this part, which are not easy tasks. But when Croesus has those little electrum coins minted, all you need, 2 guards, fast horses, and a bag to carry your money. So in a short period of time, you can come, and with the money, you can buy whatever you want. And then leave it over here to a caravan, a logistic company owner, let's say like a truck company owner, and they will transport it for you. So you do not have to come and go. And you can rush back, let's say, to your final town, sell the goods there, tell them that they're arriving in a month, and then make another deal. So this is the reason why back and forth, merchants made more journeys on the annual base, and they start to become quite wealthier. And with the help of the money, it came to a point like even the Persians envied the richness over here, plus the agricultural output. You have tasted the raisins? They're delicious. Even for Alexander the Great, those raisins were important, because those are the type of a food that you can carry with yourself on a ship, on a land expedition. If you have some walnuts, dry figs, and those raisins, okay, you will not be eating, you will not feel full, but you will be perfectly having enough calories that will make you carry on your journey. So the dry figs, the raisins, and the walnuts of the Aegean region was one of the very commonly used items for feeding your, let's say, expedition. as a commander too. So that also drove the attention to this part. So now let's just keep on walking. See the Artemis, the temple dedicated to Artemis.
Museum in Kansas City